riding it. This is why we don't like riding it. Remember my glasses on, because it means I've got to steam up like fuck. Oh, come on, geezer. Don't be afraid, it's a lorry. Stop being scared. It's not going to crash into you. It's illegal for him to crash into you. Stop hitting the brakes. It's just a lorry. Go on, take him. Oh my life. Come on, Mr. Hammond Nissan. There you go, look, there's a gap. That's it. Use that pedal on the right hand, that's it. Use the accelerator. It's been re-tarmacked. You know what? I think this has been resurfaced. Oh, this dude's going my way as well. Oh, they're going to go play golf. It must be some old geezer, isn't it? Says me. Yeah, it is as well. Look, see him in the rearview mirror. Stop looking at me and just turn in. Oh, another biker. Another one. SV650. Very nice. So, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk SV650s. Well, we just see that one just passed there. You may have noticed I took some photos before of the SV650 that we had at work, a yellow one, banana yellow. Absolutely looked a wreck. And one of my friends, he sold it to one of the other mates who's done it up. I'm so impressed the way they've recovered it. The bike looks amazing. It's I haven't got any pictures of after, but I've got pictures of the before. And if you remember, it had tons of cobwebs on it, and it was like the brake calipers, oh fucking hell, were all seized. It was in a right old state. And yeah, he's recovered it, and it looks amazeballs. He's going to put it up on Gumtree, or possibly eBay. He's only going to put it up for 600 originally. We were like, no way, at least minimum 800. People are going to knock you down anyway. It's yeah, make an amazing little bike for someone, that will. So impressed. Felt proper ropey a minute ago. Hanging out. Traffic is pretty busy this morning. So I've got the added aggravation. My contact lenses, or my eye, it's not my contact lenses, but my eyes have been playing up. So I'm having to wear my glasses underneath an already visor that fogs up, which isn't ideal. Oh, come on, mate. Jesus Christ. I feel like poop. I don't know why. I can't quite put my finger on why. I felt a bit dodgy this morning as well. So all my cheese a bit out. Let's just take it easy, baby. And we're stuck in a massive queue of traffic. What's going on here? I ain't going to be getting into work anytime soon. Scooter, don't say hello then, screw you. Ah, right, I can see. I reckon it's a tractor. It's either a tractor or some screamer and a mobility scooter who thinks it's cool to ride on the road. Let's have a look. Oh no! It's this dude! Nice one, mate. Cheers! Screamers. Get a car! Get a motorcycle! Jen. I think I might start renaming this one Monday Morning Blues, I think. Monday Morning Blues with Diesel. WWMD. No, I got that wrong, didn't I? WWMD. Jesus Christ. MM Morning Monday Morning Blues with Diesel. MMWD. MMWD. Have to edit that out. Like I said, my brain ain't working. Also, just thought of it actually, while we're stuck in traffic here and we're just pooching along at 5 miles an hour. Mate Bill, he's sold his ZZR1400, you might have seen it on the previous episode of the channel, and he's now got, he's purchased an RSV1000, or RSV4 I should say, not an RSV1000, RSV4 factory in black and red, gold wheels. If I've got a picture, I'll put it up there somewhere. Yeah, I think he picks that up this Saturday. So, someone is going to be a happy little boy. I mean, he's a happy little boy already. But, yeah, I think it makes, what is it, 200 odd brake horsepower? That's just ridiculous, isn't it? 200 odd brake horsepower. I don't know what the Interceptor makes nowadays. He's 26 years old, so at his birthday on the, what was it, 13th of March or whatever it was. Yeah, that ain't pumping out 200 brake, know that for a fact. But oh yeah, 200 brake. Now his ZZR1400, that was kicking out 200 odd brake because that was a special edition version, and with the Agrius exhausts, and that was obviously a lot heavier. So this beast, oh my god, I'm so happy for him. It's going to be amazeballs. It's going to be an absolute animal stroke wheelie machine. Yeah, that is going to be rapid. It's going to get so much attention with it as well. That's what I have found with the Italian bikes. Japanese bikes don't get it so much, but it's just something special about the Italian bikes. Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you there, and let's fast forward to this afternoon, because I've got to do some errands. So I'll see you in the future. Well, I'm back. This is going to be a quick day. No sooner have I got into work then I get a phone call from the school, and Mini Diesel's ill. So we're on a mercy mission. Get back and sort out the little man, see how he is. What are you braking for? Seriously? What's all that about? Fucking bellend. Oh look, he's here now, look. Yeah. Why did you overtake me? Because I can. So I've got this new targeting system for exactly for like people like that back there who keep touching their brake lights. Let's switch that on now. See there, and I've also got infrared to get past this dude. Let me out. Cheers. Top. Oh, dodgy pigeon. Get past them. Turn off the dodgy cam. I need to pop in that place there. Garment printing. And get some 4K1 t-shirts made up for the troops. I'll take a t-shirt down, get a sample done, see what it looks like. Anyway people, I'm going to end that there. That was a Monday Morning Blues with Diesel, and if you like the content, hit that thumbs up, smash it. If you like the video, subscribe. If you want to get updated notifications whenever I download a video, hit that bell. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out.